Hello friends, welcome to free training program for stock market. In this program, you are being given training of technical analysis course from basics to advanced absolutely free of cost. Friends, in this episode, we will learn the correct method to trade candlestick pattern piercing line. It is very important to learn the different types of candlesticks to trade or identify any pattern. So before trading to piercing line pattern, we need to learn how to identify the candlesticks that are used in the formation of piercing line pattern. Friends, bearish Marubozu and bullish Marubozu candlesticks together form the piercing line pattern. First, we will understand the bearish Marubozu candlesticks. Friends, bearish Marubozu candlesticks are known for excessive selling. Bearish Marubozu candlesticks are generally larger in size. Bearish Marubozu candlesticks can be with little wicks or without wicks. Friends, bearish Marubozu candlesticks are direction biased. That is, bearish Marubozu candlesticks indicate the bearishness in the price. Now we will understand bullish Marubozu candlesticks. Friends, bullish Marubozu candlesticks are known for excessive buying. Bullish Marubozu candlesticks are generally larger in size. Bullish Marubozu candlesticks can be with little wicks or without wicks. Friends, bullish Marubozu candlesticks are direction biased. That is, bullish Marubozu candlesticks indicate the bullishness in the price. So this was a brief introduction about bearish Marubozu and bullish Marubozu candlesticks. Now we will study to piercing line pattern and learn the correct method to trade it. Friends, piercing line pattern is a bullish trend reversal pattern. Piercing line pattern converts bearish trend into bullish trend. Piercing line pattern is applicable for all time frames. There are some rules which are very important to follow in order to trade piercing line pattern. Number 1. Piercing line pattern is considered valid only if there is a downtrend before the formation of piercing line pattern. Number 2. We will only trade piercing line pattern when the next candlestick is bullish after the completion of piercing line pattern. If there is a bearish candlestick, then we will not trade to piercing line pattern. Number 3. The lowest level of piercing line pattern will be the stop loss area. Number 4. We will not trade to piercing line pattern without keeping a stop loss. Suppose the XYZ stock was in a strong uptrend, but it went under a deep correction and the short-term trend of the stock turned negative. And due to excessive selling, a bearish Marubozu candlestick was formed, but next day a bullish Marubozu candlestick was formed, and formation of piercing line pattern was completed, and very next day piercing line pattern gave breakout and the formation of bullish candlestick was started. This is the entry point. You can initiate the trade and keep the stop loss to the lowest level of piercing line pattern and ride the trade until a bearish trend reversal signal is received. Friends, along with the knowledge of trading piercing line pattern, it is also very important to know when not to trade it. Suppose piercing line pattern did not break out after the completion of pattern, next day a bearish candlestick was formed, then you will not trade it, but you can wait for breakout by keeping stock in the watch list. But if price breaks low of piercing line pattern, if it closes below the lowest point, then you can remove the stock from watch list because piercing line pattern has been failed now. Now piercing line pattern is not valid, but till piercing line pattern breaks its low, piercing line pattern is valid. You can wait for breakout. Friends, piercing line pattern has some secrets. In piercing line pattern, bullish Marubozu candlestick can be without wicks. Piercing line pattern is valid even if bullish Marubozu candlestick is without wicks. In piercing line pattern, bearish Marubozu candlestick can also be without wicks. Piercing line pattern is valid even if bearish Marubozu candlestick is without wicks too. In piercing line pattern, the size of bullish Marubozu candlestick's wick can be larger than bearish Marubozu candlestick. Piercing line pattern is valid even if the size of bullish Marubozu candlestick's wick is larger than the size of bearish Marubozu candlestick. In piercing line pattern, the close of bearish Marubozu candlestick and the open of bullish Marubozu candlesticks can be at same level. Piercing line pattern is valid even if the close of bearish Marubozu candlestick and open of bullish Marubozu candlestick is at same level. Friends, now on real charts you will be given some examples of piercing line pattern so that you can compare imaginary charts with real charts. Friends, in this chart, after a proper downtrend, a bearish Marubozu candlestick was formed. Next candlestick, bullish Marubozu was formed. As I said before that in piercing line pattern, the close of bearish Marubozu and the open of bullish Marubozu candlestick can be at same level. Still piercing line pattern is valid. Then breakout and piercing line pattern has done its job. In this chart, after proper downtrend, a bearish Marubozu candlestick was formed and next candlestick bullish Marubozu was formed. You have already been told that in piercing line pattern, the close of bearish Marubozu and the open of bullish Marubozu candlestick can be at same level. Still piercing line pattern is valid. Then breakout and piercing line pattern has done its job. In this chart, after proper downtrend, a bearish Marubozu candlestick was formed and next candlestick bullish Marubozu was formed and the formation of piercing line pattern was completed. Then breakout and piercing line pattern did the job. In this chart, after proper downtrend, a bearish Marubozu candlestick was formed and next candlestick bullish Marubozu was formed. You have already been told that in piercing line pattern, the close of bearish Marubozu and the open of bullish Marubozu candlestick can be at same level. Still piercing line pattern is valid. Then breakout and piercing line pattern has done its job. In this chart, after proper downtrend, a bearish Marubozu candlestick was formed. Next candlestick bullish Marubozu was formed and the formation of piercing line pattern was completed. Then breakout and piercing line pattern did the job. Friends, in this episode we have learned the correct method to trade piercing line pattern. In the next episode we will learn the correct method to trade dark cloud cover. As you know, this is the episode number 9 of technical analysis course. If you haven't studied episode number 8, please watch episode number number 8. The link is available in the description and in I button, because this course is episode wise, so every episode is important for stock market terms and training. So please do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you will never miss new updates. In case of any query, please drop an email. For free tips, please join our Telegram channel. Link is available in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.